We all know that feeling. It's a massive pain. And a massive problem. 20 million massive. Crying out to be fixed. So O2 decided to, by offering free screen repair with a brand new iPhone.
Same.
In a competitive market, that's something to shout about.
Kind of a big deal.
They wanted to go big, but they wanted to be clever. They wanted to use media to recreate that feeling of, oh shit, I've dropped my phone, without saying that, of course. In short, we wanted to make the media not just the message, but the feeling. So we smashed things up. And for maximum impact, using Smart Steps Telefonica data to hit people where and when it would resonate the most. Commuting, shopping malls, music venues. The media was matched to these moments, rolling phones down escalator panels, using lenticular for real cut-through, and even smashing up the UK's largest digital screen. We even played with how billboards were hung. As far as results go, it smashed it. The market was primed ahead of the new iPhone launch. The campaign drove phone upgrades and increased uptake of the new Oops tariff. Overall, Oops drove 70% of sales for that period and an incremental 17 million revenue year on year. And that's a good feeling.